Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, taking an old, discarded hammer and giving a complete makeover from a broken tool to a robust, comfortable, and stylish new utility item. You might think it's destined for the scrap heap, but I'll show you how to revitalize it with a strong new handle and a fresh look. I'm bringing out an old hammerhead and a PVC pipe, which will become our new handle. You can see how the hammerhead needs a new handle. I'm setting up a small homemade alcohol burner, which is a neat little trick in itself. I'll pour some alcohol into the can to use as fuel for our heat source. Now, it's time to light our little burner. Once the flame is going, I'll carefully heat one end of the PVC pipe directly over the heat. This is crucial because heating the PVC will make it soft and pliable, allowing me to easily shape for our custom handle later. I then use pliers to crimp the heated end, shaping it to fit the hammer hole. Now, I'm clamping the hammerhead securely in a vise. It's important to keep it stable for this next step. I'll insert the crimped and softened PVC pipe directly into the hammerhead's eye. I use a smaller wooden piece as a wedge. I smooth the wooden wedge with a grinder for a clean finish. I took another hammer and gently tapped it down. This piece of wood is held inside the PVC in the hammerhead, creating a very secure fit for the handle. With the handle firmly in place, I clamp the hammer back in the vise. I'm using a saw to carefully trim off the excess PVC pipe and wooden wedge, ensuring the handle is flush and neat with the top of the hammerhead. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I'm using our alcohol burner again, but this time with a small metal tin. I'll cut several hot glue sticks into smaller pieces and place them into the tin. The heat from the burner will slowly melt the glue sticks into a liquid. This molten glue will be used to fill the hollow PVC handle. Why fill it, you ask? Because it adds significant weight, improves the hammer's balance, and drastically reduces vibrations when striking, making it much more effective and comfortable to use. I'll melt these pieces over our improvised burner, stirring until they become a smooth, molten liquid. This molten glue will act as a super strong epoxy, filling any voids and securely bonding the hammerhead to the PVC pipe. Once the glue is fully molten, I carefully pour it directly into the hollow PVC handle until it's completely filled. I then clamp a small PVC cap in the vise and use a drill to create a neat hole right through its center. This cap will serve as the end piece for our handle. I'll thread a strong rope through this hole and tie a secure knot, creating a durable wrist strap. This strap is a practical addition for safety, preventing accidental drops, and also for convenient storage. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I snip off any excess rope for a tidy finish. For the final aesthetic touches, I'll use a cutter to carefully scrape off any extraneous markings. This gives the handle a cleaner, more professional appearance. Once that's done, I'll firmly assemble the lanyard cap onto the end of the handle, ensuring all components are tightly fitted and ready for action. I'm using an angle grinder with a sanding disc to clean up the hammerhead. This step removes any rust, grime, or imperfections, bringing out its natural shine and completing the professional finish of our newly crafted tool. It's amazing how much a little cleaning can do. Our old broken hammer is completely transformed into a powerful, functional, and aesthetically pleasing tool. To show you just how effective it is, I'm going to use it to finish up that small wooden frame we started with. Watch as I confidently drive these nails home. It works perfectly. The improved grip and weight make a noticeable difference in control and impact. The new PVC handle, filled with hot glue for added density, feels incredibly solid and balanced. I'm so pleased with how this project turned out. This DIY project proves that with a little ingenuity and effort, you can breathe new life into old tools. If you enjoyed watching this transformation and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other tools you'd like to see me restore. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.